This picture illustrates the engine compartment with the engine cover still in place. Lift up on the front cover until it is unseated from its clips. Pull the front engine cover forward until it is unseated from the rear engine cover and lifted out of the way. Remove the right side engine snorkel by pulling it straight off of the air intake tube. Pull the other side of the air intake tube out of its connection near the radiator. Remove the left side engine snorkel by pulling it straight off the air intake tube. Working at the opposite side of the radiator, pull the other side of the air intake tube out of its connection. The main cover is held on by 2 clips on each side as indicated by the green arrows. Pull up on the front of the rear cover until the 2 clips clear their rubber mounts. The rear of the engine cover is also held on by 2 clips on rubber mounts. Lift up on the rear cover until the clips unseat from the rubber mounts. You can now pull the engine cover out of the way. By the way, the engine cover also doubles as the air filter housings. Installation is the reverse of the removal steps. Position the rear cover for the clips over the 4 rubber mounts and push down until they are engaged. Slide the front engine cover into the front of the rear engine cover and push the front in and down until those clips engage. Position the air intake tubes on their inlets at the radiator and fit them over the intake tubes on the engine cover. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.